I'm Miles Mason. You're watching this video because you've scheduled your confidential consultation. Together, let's make sure you get the most out of it. We know how scary and difficult this first step can be. From our website, you can easily map directions. There are some documents you can bring with you and things you can do to prepare for your confidential consultation. If there have been any court filings already, definitely bring copies of those. If you're visiting with us about a divorce, child support, or an alimony matter, try to bring tax returns, financial statements, brokerage statements, and recent monthly statements for major accounts. Finally, as you read our site, take notes and begin to write down questions for us, but only if you can keep that list of questions absolutely secret. Plan to arrive 10 to 15 minutes before your appointment so that we can take care of the preliminaries. If you need to leave by a certain time, let us know that up front so we can make sure we get everything covered in time. If you want to bring a friend or family member, that's okay. Just know that any advice shared by us in the presence of another person may not be confidential. Let us know if you have any questions about the attorney-client privilege and how it works. What tips do we have so that you can get the most out of our visit? Be honest. If you know something awful, tell us. I can almost guarantee we've heard it before. And if you don't share key information with us, our advice may be useless. Read as much on our website as you can before coming and write down questions. If you don't know what questions to ask, we do. We can ask you questions and guide you through the process just fine. So don't worry about coming up with questions if you don't want to. If you want to start cleaning out your file cabinets and bring a box or two of documents with you, that's fine, but you don't have to. Many clients like to get started as soon as possible. Having more documents than we think we need is always better than having too few. When you're done asking your questions, we will start asking ours. We'll likely focus on answering questions we think you should be asking. In our time together, we hope to give you a lot of helpful information. We'll also talk about the business side of our relationship. For many of our clients, we're the first lawyers ever hired. Although we can't ever predict what your exact cost may be for handling your particular situation, we are very clear up front about our fees and costs and how we can work together to keep costs down. We have information and packets for you to read, work on, and return to us. Many of our clients have organized their own files and documents and saved a lot. Other clients just want us to handle it all. Let us know what you want. Most who visit with us tell us that they want their matter over as fast as possible. We understand. Taking back control of your life is important. As soon as we begin representation, we will review your information and documents and get organized. Together, we'll work on a plan and get started. Sometimes defining your goals is the most difficult part. Your success begins by taking one step at a time. We look forward to our meeting.